that about how Haiti was the first democratic country. And how Haiti was the first enslaved people to liberate themselves. And that if you want to learn about freedom, look to Haiti. That blew my mind. As a creative, like you really don't always have like stable working conditions. And then there's times where there's no money coming in, there's, you know, nothing going on. And I have to create a way for myself.
I just recorded the last episode of season 1 of Own Your Future.
I would say maybe start with some documentaries, looking up your favorite designers in Haiti or your favorite revolutionaries in Haiti and hear what they have to say about what they think of Haiti.
We open that blind to see and experience Haiti through our lens.
Like me and my grandmother, like I said, there's a bit of a language barrier, but we would sit there and struggle. We would sit there and go back and forth talking about our lives.
It's just like the details that speak louder than all the big things, right? In a lot of ways, it's a representation of us Haitians.